Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you and your loved one will be safe and sound with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today's our topic is Rashid visits and activities regarding the book activities of page 8, 9 and 10. For solving these activities, we have to understand the articles and homophones. First, we have to understand the articles. Let's try to understand. What is articles? An article is a word used to modify a noun, which is a person, place, or object or idea. In short, we can say that an article is a word used to modify a noun. If we focus on this part, a person, place, object, or idea, it means it's a noun. आर्टिकल क्या है? एक वर्ड है जो मॉडिफाई करता है, यानी कि उसके बारे में बयान करता है कि नाउन है, ये स्पेसिफिक है या अनस्पेसिफिक है, ये एक है या कोई हास है. लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द फर्दर पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस आर्टिकल्स. There are 3 articles. It means how many articles? 3 articles. 2 indefinite a and n. A and n. How many articles? 3 and 2 indefinite and the one is definite. And the definite article is the. Dear students, a and n is are the indefinite articles and the is the definite articles. Okay, first we have to understand the indefinite articles. In the category of the indefinite articles, there are 2 parts, a and n. First, we will have to understand the n, use of the n. N is used before words starting with the vowel sounds. n वहाँ तब यूज़ करते हैं जब वर्ड्स के आगाज़ में vowel sound हो. How many vowel sounds? There are 20 vowel sounds. And how many total total sounds? They are 44. 20 are vowel sounds and 24 are consonant sounds. Dear students, remember that when there is a vowel sounds, when we use the word and, it means with the vowel sound we use the article and. Examples will make our concept very clear. An English book. Here is a word and it's using here because there is a vowel sound. An obedient boy. It means when there is a vowel sounds we will use. And second part shows that sometimes H is silent and the word begins with the vowel sound as in the given example. So we put n with such words. For example, it will take an hour to reach there. In this sentence we can see that vowel sound because H is silent here. And further, Saira is an honest girl. And because here is the sound of the vowel, here we can observe that our, not hour. Honest, not, it's honest. And because H is silent in both words, Sometimes H is silent and the word begins with the vowel sounds. Dear students, I am repeating again with the vowel sound as in the given sentences, so we put N with such words. Dear students, these are the repeated examples and it will make our concept very clear. Sometimes we forget this. Here we can say that H is a consonant word, but here is the sound of vowel sound. That's why we are using N here. Second example, Saira is an honest girl. In this sentence we can see that honest word, honest. H is silent here, that's why vowel sounds develop here and we will use article here N. And second part is about the use of A is used before words starting with consonant sounds. When there is a consonant sounds, we will use the article A. Here are some example: a book, a boy, a Pakistani girl. Dear students, we have to remember something, that note A and N is used only for singular nouns. A and N is used with singular noun, singular things. We don't use A and N with before plural nouns. Dear students, after understanding this topic, this part of the topic, you can solve the book activities of page number 8 easily. And second part is the article definite article, and definite article is the definite article the is used to point out, or it means it are used for specific person when we are pointing about or pointing a particular noun. Dear students, हम जब किसी को रेफ़र कर रहे हो या किसी स्पेसिफिक पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग के बारे में रेफ़र कर रहे हो या पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं, तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? द यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, जब हम एक चीज़ का कंपैरिजन पूरी ग्रुप से करते हैं तो उसके लिए भी हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? तो उसके लिए भी हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री जब एक चीज़ का कंपैरिजन मोर देन 2 पर्सन आर ग्रुप करते हैं तो देन वी यूज़ अ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. Superlative degree is a degree of an adjective. When we compare a thing with the whole group or whole class, we use the article then the. For examples, Ali asked Shahid, "Are you going to a party? To the party this weekend?" It means the is used. Why? Because they are talking about a specific party, a party about which both persons are well aware, they have the knowledge. Dear students, ये एग्जाम्पल हमें बेहतरीन अंदाज से बताते हैं कि वो दोनों एक पार्टी के बारे में डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं जिसके बारे में दोनों को आइडिया है, यानी कि वो एक स्पेसिफिक पार्टी के बारे में डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं. Third, the sun rises at 5 a.m. It means when there is a particular things, then we use the word the. And the last example shows that Momina is the cleverest girl of the class. It means here the word the shows a particular class. And when we use the superlative degree, then we use the. यहाँ पर जो द है, द क्लास, इसका मतलब है कि एक ख़ास स्पेसिफिक क्या है, क्लास है जिसके बारे में वो और द क्लेवरेस्ट गर्ल, इसका मतलब है कि क्लेवरेस्ट क्या है, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री है। जब हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज़ करते हैं तो हम क्या वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं? द। Dear students, you have to solve these activities after understanding these rules of book page number 8. Okay, next part is about the homophones. What are homophones? The word homo. Phones means sounds, phones mean sounds, and homo mean same. Homophones are the words with the same sounds, but different spellings and meanings. Homo means same and phones means sounds. It means same sounds, but homophones are the words with the same sounds but different spellings and meanings. ऐसे अल्फाज जिनकी ऐसे अल्फाज जो हम आवाज़ अल्फाज हैं, लेकिन उनके क्या है? स्पेलिंग और मीनिंग क्या है? डिफरेंट है। Here are some examples that will help us to understand it better. Nice to meet you. We know that this meaning of this word very well. Did you buy meat today? Dear students, these two sentences have the word meat. The word meat have both words have the same sounds. That's why it's called the homophones. But they have the different spellings and they have the different meanings. But they have the common thing, that is same sound. Next part is on your book page number 9. Okay, here sail, rain and rain, whale and whale, sight and sight. Dear students, these words have the same sounds. Okay, firstly we have to understand the meaning of these words. First one is the here, its meaning is इसका मतलब है कि बाल. सेकेंड वन इज़ द हेयर, यू नो वेरी वेल. थर्ड वन इज़ जैसे कि हम सम टाइम कहते हैं सेल, यानी कि कोई चीज़ का क्या है? बुराई फ्रो होता है. एंड दिस सेल मीन मूवमेंट, यानी कि पानी में कश्ती चलाना, जहाज़ चलाना. रेन, बारिश. दिस रेन मीन ये एक लेदर की स्ट्रिप्स हैं जिसको हम रोप कह सकते हैं, जो नॉर्मली यूज़ की जाती है हार्स के लिए या डंकीज़ के लिए. वेल, नेक्स्ट दिस वेल मीन वादी एंड दिस वेल मीन स्कार्फ. यू कैन से दैट कवरिंग योर फेस विद द क्लॉथ. साइट मीन एरिया, एक प्लेस है जहाँ पे कोई अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन कोई काम हो सकता है या कोई एक एरिया जहाँ पे कोई बिल्डिंग बन सकती है, उसको कोई भी जगह हो उसको हम साइट कह सकते हैं. दिस साइट मीन नज़र, देखना. Okay, dear students, after understanding these words, you have to solve the book activities number of page number 10. If you have to make your sincere effort, and I hope that if you make your sincere effort, you will be able to solve your book activities very easily. Dear students, here is a diary. Solve book activities at page 8, 9 and 10. Learn all definitions of this topic from book. Dear students, you have to learn all the definition of the topic Rashid Visits Library from your book. Dear students, take care of yourself and your loved ones. If you have the problem, then you can ask me question. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.